from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Bedford, Franklin, Fulton, Somerset, and York. Winter storm warning in effect from 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. Tuesday. The National Weather Service and State College has issued a winter storm warning for snow, which is in effect from 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. Tuesday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: southern tier counties of Pennsylvania. Hazard types: snow. Accumulations: 5 to 7 inches of snow. Timing: beginning before daybreak across the Laurel Highlands of southwestern Pennsylvania, entering the mid to late morning hours across the lower Susquehanna Valley. The snow will continue through early Tuesday evening. Impacts: travel may be slowed significantly due to snow-covered roads and periods of poor visibility. Winds: north to northeast wind around 10 miles per hour, increasing to 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour Tuesday afternoon and evening. Temperatures: 15 to 20 degrees across the lower Susquehanna Valley, and in the single digits to around 10 above across the Laurel Highlands. Visibilities: 1/2 of a mile to 1 mile. Dangerous winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Use extreme caution if planning to travel. For the latest weather information, go to weather.gov or stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio. Report snow and ice accumulation to the National Weather Service State College by sending an email to ctp.stormreports@noaa.governor, posting to the National Weather Service State College Facebook page, or tweet it and #CTPWX.